Epigenetics plays a significant role in understanding inherited traits and diseases by providing insights into how gene expression is regulated without changes to the underlying DNA sequence. While the DNA sequence itself remains unchanged, epigenetic modifications can influence how genes are turned on or off, affecting various physiological processes and disease susceptibility. Here's how epigenetics contributes to our understanding of inherited traits and diseases. Gene expression regulation. Epigenetic mechanisms, such as DNA methylation, histone modifications, and non-coding RNAs, regulate gene expression by controlling access to the DNA and influencing the binding of transcription factors and other regulatory proteins. Changes in these epigenetic marks can result in altered gene expression patterns, leading to variations in traits and disease susceptibility. Inheritance of epigenetic modifications. While genetic information is passed down from one generation to the next through DNA, epigenetic modifications can also be inherited. This phenomenon, known as epigenetic inheritance, allows environmental influences experienced by previous generations to affect gene expression and phenotype in subsequent generations. For example, studies have shown that prenatal exposure to certain environmental factors, such as maternal diet or stress, can lead to epigenetic changes that influence offspring health and disease risk. Role in development and differentiation. Epigenetic regulation plays a crucial role in embryonic development, cell differentiation, and tissue-specific gene expression. Epigenetic marks help to establish and maintain cell identity by controlling which genes are activated or silenced in different cell types. Disruptions to these epigenetic processes can lead to developmental abnormalities and disease. Disease susceptibility. Epigenetic alterations have been implicated in the development of various diseases, including cancer, neurological disorders, metabolic disorders, and autoimmune diseases. Dysregulation of epigenetic mechanisms can result in aberrant gene expression patterns that contribute to disease initiation, progression, and response to treatment. Understanding the epigenetic basis of diseases provides opportunities for the development of targeted therapies and diagnostic tools. Potential therapeutic targets. Epigenetic modifications are reversible, making them attractive targets for therapeutic intervention. Drugs that modulate epigenetic processes, such as DNA methyltransferase inhibitors and histone deacetylase inhibitors, have shown promise in the treatment of certain cancers and other diseases by restoring normal gene expression patterns. In summary, epigenetics provides a framework for understanding how environmental factors, genetic predispositions, and epigenetic modifications interact to influence inherited traits and disease susceptibility. By elucidating the role of epigenetic regulation in health and disease, researchers can identify new biomarkers, therapeutic targets, and strategies for disease prevention and treatment.